Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate a ReliaCard for direct deposit, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your card to receive payments directly from your employer or benefits provider. Step 1. Ensure your ReliaCard is activated by calling the activation phone number on the card or sticker, or by visiting the ReliaCard website. Step 2. Once your card is activated, locate your routing number and account number, which are required for setting up direct deposit. Step 3. Log in to the ReliaCard website or mobile app using your username and password to access your account information. Step 4. Navigate to the direct deposit or account details section to view your routing number and account number. Step 5. Write down or take a screenshot of your routing number and account number for reference. Step 6. Contact your employer's payroll department or benefits provider to request a direct deposit form. Step 7. Fill out the direct deposit form with your ReliaCard routing number, account number, and your personal information. Step 8. Submit the completed form to your employer or benefits provider according to their instructions. Step 9. Wait for confirmation from your employer or benefits provider that your direct deposit has been set up successfully. Step 10. Monitor your ReliaCard account to ensure your first direct deposit is received as expected. Step 11. Once direct deposit is active, your payments will automatically be loaded onto your ReliaCard on each payday. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.